wanna buy a guitar.
Guitar yesterday man, plenty.
Ah?
Nagwapa ka yung video mo yan.
Chinatown.
Sa New York.
Oh, marag New York bitaw, no?
Ay, mama.
It's gay. Girl. It's like New York here. Mall, madam.
Okay, mama, we'll change the seat.
Mall. Mall. Mulo. Mulo. Mulo.
Doon ra mo di ay.
So kanindot diri uy.
Lagi.
Asa mo madulong ami?
Mulo.
Dili na daw.
Mall kabalo siya alapit ang mall.
Ambot lang. I-translate bis yung cellphone bit. I-type.
We're going to the mall. Yeah.
Kabalo na siya?
Wala pa translation.
Mall.
We're going to the mall. Again. Again.
I think I'm ready.
I think I'm ready. We want break.
Murag mo namin lang street diri. Oh, shopping street.
Na to din. Wala, nag-snow na din.
Chinatown.
Nag-snow na yun siya.
Every port I can.
Yeah, see now? Aquarium. Oh, very nice. Huh?
It's allowed.
Don Quixote. Wow!
Naka-restaurant.
Take out menu. May mga unsa taglami ha. Ay, ayun na, kari man na, ayun ang kari. Ay. Kubara. Ha? La, pero social ang ilang pagkari no. Kaya maglimpyo ba? Kanita diri. Adun. Tesa, kung nabinagdahan na ngaon. Diri, way tawag siya ha.
Nakabitaw. American diner.
Ayun na.
Ay, hindi.
American diner. Hala na. Naman tayo American diner. I think mo diri. Naman tayo American.
Hi, Dad.
No, later again we go to the mall. This is our appetizer only.
I want you to hide that.
No, we don't have either here. No here. Oh, sushi.
Bye, babe. Kanindot pa siya tanong. Saan ba siya nga tanong? Kanindot ba ni? Hi! Arigatou gozaimasu! Let's bring in the cabin. Put in our toilet.
Strawberry.
Yeah, strawberry.
Only go to
Wow.
mall. 青草。
There are a lot of plants here. Big mall.
啊，对，
对呀，因为是有人的。
Ah, Chinatown.
こんにちは。
It's still open, sir? Ask him. Bring us to
Open.
the restaurant.
Restaurant open. Open. Right,
Yes.
China. Now it's too late, right? We should come 8 or 9. Not every day.
I want to eat, man. Good food, man. See, look at the crew member. This guy, the muddy, the one always giving food. They're just walking because it's nearby, man. Chinatown is nearby. See, all the crew is just walking. Guys, okay.
15 guests is come, right? My table. And the guests order only one appetizer, one soup.
Yeah.
And then they have 2 mingers. She said like this? Of course. I mean the soup I should serve that the Babalu guests went to the cabin. 9:15, right? I ordered right within the assistant. I have to soup is getting cold, of course, because their origami is open, right? And the taste is all cold. And when he come back, he complained the soup is cold. Then I go get another soup. Then I go to Kumes, make the soup hot. Then I already told the lady, the old lady, 2 English chef man. I say of course no, because they chef they were closed. They got it. They say yes, but after that they complain the soup is cold. So then I ask. They say oh wait a minute. See all closed, right?
Yeah. Lina, ma. Hey,
Yeah, Wi-Fi. Check the Wi-Fi.
the lady, she's
Check the Wi-Fi. I mean, check the No. What's that one? What's that food? Maybe like it. Huh?
no toilet here?
Shit, man. Ask. The just moment the happy camera. What's that one?
Excuse me, we so much. You can leave it there. Okay.
Like eat like this. Use the spoon. They have some shit. I don't like I like this.
I didn't take picture.
Do you know address?
No.
Nearby, the one nearby here. Close.
I don't know.
Come here, Lina.